If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Leeks are a crop in which you can grow any variety anywhere in the world. It's not like onions where you need a short, mid, or long day variety based on your geographical area. So what we're going to use is a seeding square, and based on the chart in which the seeding square comes with, it shows that leeks can be planted 16 per square foot, which that is a recommendation. So I've got 3 foot this way, and I've got about 3.5, 4 foot that way. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do 3 square foot of 16 leeks, then I'm going to go 3 square feet of 9 leeks, and then I'm going to finish off with 4 per square foot. We're going to see which really works better, and if the 16 really is compacted or if they're going to grow to the full size that we're familiar with leeks. And I'm going to fill this little area up here. This side here we have garlic that has germinated from last fall, and then I'll figure out what we're going to do this way. We're utilizing all the space available in this garden to have the most production that we possibly can. Now with leeks, there is a way and a technique in which you want to get the plant deep enough in order for it to blanch that bottom portion, that white portion that we're familiar with. But in many parts of the world, the whole plant is consumed. It's not just that bottom portion. Here in the United States, we are taught that that is the edible portion. The whole plant is edible. So we actually dehydrate a lot of the green portion, use it in soups and stews. So I'm going to show how we get these deep enough to get more blanching on the bottom portion. So we've got the device here. It's got the measurements 1 through 4 inches. So the red is the indication of 16 per square foot. So what we want to do in order to get that plant down deep enough to get the bleaching action or the blanching action, the white portion to be created, is you want to smother it or keep it away from sunlight. So we're just going to take, go the right direction here, I'm going to go down about 2.5 inches on all of these. All right, now we're going to raise this up and we'll see our holes here. We can widen them out, okay, some. Works better when you're in like raised bed situation because the soil's not so rocky or clay. All right, so we want to extract these from the container. So we don't need all of them, but I do want to take them all out. And then I'm going to take a chunk of them. All right, and we'll put these back in the container. So we want to separate these, and you can just separate them just like, you don't want the soil to be too moist, so they break up, the soil breaks off the roots. Okay, so that's 1 leek, and we're going to set it, try to wrap the roots or get the roots in the hole. You can sometimes spin it like that, and then we want to push it down all the way up to that conjunction there where the 2 limbs are coming off, and that's good enough. Now we won't fill this in, we will water, and the water will begin to fill around there and knock some of that soil in. So we'll get another one here. And then you can harvest these at any time you want, but most times it's between 90 and 150 days for these to reach maturity. And we've had them as big as broom handles, the diameter of them. So if you've never grown leeks, first of all, find out if you like leeks by getting some from your local grocery store. It won't have the same flavor or freshness, but it'll give you an idea if you even want to attempt to try to grow these.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.